Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am in a crawl space here in Millsboro, Delaware. I want to point out a couple things. So if you see, this crawl space looks really dry. Really no signs of water intrusion coming from the footer or anything like that. But if you look up, see if I can point to this, you see all the mold growth that is forming on the bottom of the floor joist. It's all due to high humidity. Take you over to this section, and you can see the mold growth on the bottom of the floor joist. There it is. Over there. All on the bottom, well, on the bottom of here. And that is all the lignin starting to get left over. There it is on the bottom of that. And this is, again, because the humidity is over 60% down here during the wetter months, or the spring and summer. Now, what you also see is that it's causing the HVAC system insulation to come apart. So now the HVAC's having to run harder than it should. You can see that mold is growing on top of the flex duct. Tape again is coming apart. More mold growing there. So any openings that are inside, the ducting system, every time the HVAC system gets kicked on, it all goes under negative pressure and then turns around, and the mold gets sucked up into the system and then up into the indoor living space where everybody breathes. So you want to get this stuff corrected before it becomes a bigger problem. Luckily, I don't see any major wood decay up here yet, but we will have to turn around and do a remediation on here in the fungal treatment and encapsulate this crawl space and get it all fixed. So if you have any crawl space issues, or you don't want to have any crawl space issues, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077, or find us on the web at hydrohero.com and set up a free consultation. You don't even have to be home. Thanks so much. Have a great day.